Welcome to this video. My name is Mahendra Pawar and I work for BMC Customer Support Team. In this video, we will learn how to enable Petrol Agent integration with BMC TrueSight. In order to enable the integration, we must have the details of the integration service. Integration can be enabled during the installation of the Petrol Agent or after the installation of the Petrol Agent. If we decide to enable the integration after the installation of the Petrol Agent, in that case, we will need to update the Petrol Agent configuration using pconfig command line utility. Let's see the demo of how to enable the integration. To enable the integration, first log into the Petrol Agent server, go to Petrol home directory. In this case, the home directory would be opt bmc petrol 3. Run the petrol rc.sh. Now enter the command pconfig plus get. If we enter, it will show the output on the same terminal. So let's just redirect the output to a text file. Now all the configuration has been dumped into the conf.txt file. So we will need to edit the conf.txt to update the integration service details so that Petrol Agent can connect to the integration service. If you look at the configuration, the integration service has been set to blank. So this variable should have the valid integration service details in order for Petrol Agent to connect to the integration service. So I will edit this file and I will enter the details of the integration service where the integration service is running. So the format should be TCP host name of the integration service followed by the port number of the integration service. By default, integration service listens on 3183 port for the Petrol Agent connections. Now I will save the file and I will reload the configuration. To reload the configuration, we will need to give the command pconfig plus reload and path of the file where we have made the changes. The configuration has been reloaded. To verify the connection details, we need to access the Petrol Agent error log file, which will reside under log directory. We are in Petrol 3 directory right now. We need to go to the log directory and open the Petrol Agent error log file, which has the ending .errs. When Petrol Agent connects to the integration service, we can see this message, connection established with the integration service, host name of the integration service, and the port number of the integration service. This message indicates that the Petrol Agent has successfully connected to the integration service. In case Petrol Agent fails to connect to the integration service, make sure to check the network connectivity between the Petrol Agent and the integration service server. Also check the port availability, whether the Petrol Agent is allowed to connect to the integration service on port number 3183. To enable the integration during the installation of the Petrol Agent, you will need to enter the integration service details on the TrueSight repository package. So the format would be TCP host name of the integration service port number of the integration service. Thank you for watching this video.